In today's video, we're going to learn how to use the Gravity Forms connector to Power Automate to send multiple files from the same field. And this is a problem because it doesn't always work right. You have to do an extra step. Let me give you a demo. We've got a file field here, and we're going to attach a file to it. We'll attach the same file twice just so that we have more than one coming in, and then we'll hit Submit. In the other window, we've got Power Automate running, and it's got a step here that's going to walk through as soon as it gets the forms field coming in. You'll see that flow sent it to Power Automate, and we have, oh no, our file field's in a wrong format. And you can see the field here is coming out, but it's got this square bracket, it's got these, the slashes are escaped, and it's not a format that you can use to get your file. So let's take a look at the trigger and see what's going on there. You can see it's coming in, and it's this weird wrapped format here, and it has multiple files in it. So that means we need to do a little extra step here. So we're going to edit our flow, and we're going to do a new step with the field coming in. You'll see we have our file field here, but next we're going to do a parse JSON. And then from here, we're going to select that file field, and we need to tell it what the format of that field is going to look like. We can go back to our flow run and we can pick that from before, or we know that it's going to come in this weird format, right? So it comes in and it's got some URLs in it. So we'll just say like this, where it's reenhance.com, and we'll put in another URL so we can see that it's got multiple ones there. So for here, we'll do connector review. And that's going to be what the format of the field comes in as. And once we hit the done button, it generates the sample, and now we can use our file fields in further steps. So from here, if we were just going to do another compose, you'll see that the file fields are available as items here. So we'll hit save, and we're going to rerun that step I just showed you. And you'll see that that compose step is going to get the file. So we can see, oh no, it's come in the wrong format, but down in the apply to each, we get the exact right format for the URL. There's the first one, and there's the second one. So you can see that's how that works, but let me explain why. I just wanted to give you a very quick overview to begin, but essentially Power Automate comes in and it requires all the fields to be known in terms of what type it is before it starts. So with the file field, when you have the box here checked in the editor, when you have this multiple files checked, it changes the output format into what's known as an array. So that means that the format is going to send back multiple data points instead of one, but when the box is not checked, then it just sends back the URL. But Power Automate is super, super picky, and it requires to know what the shape of the data is, but it doesn't let the data change. So essentially, what our plugin has to do is send over the file data as a string, regardless of whether it is multi-file or not. So that means that you have to do an extra step, which is that parse JSON step inside of your flow whenever you check this box. So if this box is checked, then you also need this parse JSON step that we went over in the very beginning of the video. I hope that you're learning something here, and I hope that this is helpful to you. Please feel free to share this and like and subscribe, and I'd say hit the bell, but I don't know that I'm going to put too many videos up. So enjoy this, and hopefully this helps you build better flows with Power Automate. Thanks. Bye.